Okay, let's build in these clever little puzzle boxes, which I purchased the plans from Woodsmith Plans. I've used them before and they're outstanding. And then for a couple more dollars you can get the premium package, which actually has the shop drawings of the parts involved. Also, they're very well written and very step-by-step, but as an engineer, the shop drawings come in invaluable to me. And I always have a little file that we've got going here. So that being said, shout out to Woodsmith. This is two of the parts of the box. This is the sliding top, and this is the back, which holds it together. And as you can see, got some rather complex lock miter joints where some slide, this slides, and some things are held together. But let's see here. Can't really see what I'm showing you. Got a little help here from the viewfinder. Anyhow, looking at the plans and what went wrong, obviously something's too big. And what I've determined is that this top portion right here is just a skosh too big. Define skosh? Probably somewhat more than an RCH, but I don't know. I am guessing a skosh might be the thickness of a business card. Might be a little bit too much, but we'll see. So in order to remedy that, I've determined that this space right here is the one that needs to come off. Again, just a skosh. So I have a 1/8 inch spiral cut end mill in there. I've got the height set and locked to just hit this surface right here and do its business on that edge right there. So how do I set that up? Well, I've got the height set. That would be the existing depth. So we'll just set that right there, and it's more a feel thing. I've never done this before, and it's just an idea. So we'll see if it works. So what I'm thinking now is take and put a business card between that and then just touch the surface. Oops. Doesn't like the business card there, so well, how about one on each side? All right. Pretty touchy. I got hung up here somewhere. Try it again. That should be it. I hate it when you can feel the fence move right when you lock down the... Alright, well, it looked like it feels like it drops back just a little tiny bit. So now, yeah, it's making contact. And it feels like just a skosh. So that's locked. This is locked. Everything's good to go. Get this out of the way. I've never done it. We'll see what happens. pencil mark's gone. And a little bit more. So we'll try it again. Try that. That's got more of a bite to it that time. We'll see what happens now. Maybe just a tiny bit more.
These came back from a search.
Seems like it should be working. Now, if that doesn't work, we're filing on the wrong edge. Yeah. Well, it fits now. Except for that little bump, I'll take care of that in a minute, but that's how to do it. Okay, here's another problem why it won't fit. As I don't know if you can see that hair of a pencil line right there. So that means that spot was missed. So I'm going to try the business card thing again. Got it lined up right there. The depth is set. And I take the business card away, and now it's engaged. So now we'll see what happens. Pencil line is gone. A little bit of a goof there, but now let's see if it fits. Oh, that slot's not deep enough, so we'll try that. I was mistaken. Actually does fit now, flush with the back. And that worked. Now it fits together. Now to glue up the box.